Good morning, students of my 9th class students. We are giving the revision, second revision, this one, atoms and the molecule chapter, which is coming in your paper. So first of all, you learn this valencies, lithium 1, sodium 1, like this, hydrogen, this valencies, learn it. After the valencies, then we have to find out the valency, how we will write the name of any compound. So what we have done, before that we have to write down the symbol. Second, then we have to downside write the valency, then cross over the method. So first of all, they are saying in a question it was said, find out the hydrogen dioxide, disulfide, hydrogen disulfide. We have to make it a formula. Okay, so we know hydrogen sulfide, H will come of hydrogen, sulfide means sulfur, S will come. So the valency of H is 1, S is 2, so we can crossing. After this it came as H2, S1 and form as H2S, because 1 we are not writing, that's why we are presenting here H2S. Next one, if we are talking about, I say to you, make a formula of carbon dioxide. In your copy you have written CARBONDIOXIDE. Then only this one, carbon dioxide. Carbon means C will come, oxide means oxygen, O will come. We are putting the valency over here, it will say C2O4, and 2 is common in this both. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. That's why here it is come as CO2. After this HCl, same process we are doing. Now the important one question is this one. Here they are saying the valency of an element X is 1. Here X is 1 and the oxygen is 2. Oxygen 2. What will be the compound formed by the element X with oxygen? So what we will do? They already given the X valency, that is 1. Oxygen valency is 2 is coming. Then crossing over the method, it is said to be the X2O1 and it is said X2O. Now X is nothing in the chemistry. X, Y, Z, nothing is there. So in place of X, you find out that which element will come. So here H2O will come very nicely. So we can say this, which element formation takes place? Compound water formation takes place. Okay. Next one is, this is also important. E has a valency of 4. E have a valency of 4. In this one we are using the two things. One is chloride, second is sulfide. Chloride means Cl, sulfide means S. So chlorine valency have written, crossing method, E1Cl4, 1 not writing, ECl4. Now in place of E, what the thing will come? Carbon tetrachloride become, it's said to be CCl4. Next is sulfide left. For this sulfide, 2 sulfur means 2 valency, E already given for us, then it is coming as E2S4. Now for this one, 2 is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 is come as ES2 and said to be the CS2. Understood? Next one, an element X shows 2 valencies of 3 and 5. Now this is also important. 3 and 5. X we have put it 3, X we have put it 5, then oxygen we are putting the numbering of it, valency of it, then crossing over it, said to be the X2O3, X2O5. In place of this we are writing P2O3 and P2O5. What is that P2O3, P2O5? We can say phosphorus trioxide, or we can say the phosphorus pentaoxide. Okay. Next one we are using here, an element Z forms an oxide ZO3. So in this one we have to find out the valency of Z. So in this way we are writing, first of all, the compound ZO3 has 3 atoms of oxygen, you all know. Oxygen, 1 oxygen means 2 will come, 3 oxygen, 2 into 3, 6 is coming. Okay, so already we have find out the valency of 6, Z6, and F is 1, crossing over it came as ZF6, and ZF6 can said to be the SF6, which is sulfur hexafluoride. Sulfur hexafluoride. Okay students, then you have to learn the valencies. This type of valency, please learn it in your copy, right? Please do that thing also. Which one, who has given the electron, proton and neutron. This one is important, cathode rays, anode rays, and the valency is important. After the valencies, what is the gram molecular mass, what is the mass molecular, what is gram atomic mass, these things are important. So beta, these all things can try to complete it and in a revision. Thank you students and have a nice day.